know, no, baby, what you need? Yeah. 어머, 태양이야. 아, 여기 찍어.
아니 내가 편의점 가고 와! 아무것도 못한다. 끼니를 말씀해 주시면
알겠기니 약간 아 이불 완전 아
봤어? 봤어?
I'm not giving you guys my ID for my Roblox. Sorry. But I actually made some friends on there. Like I went on every time I do the karaoke game and I sing, everyone's like, "Oh my god, like, whoa, this guy is so good." And then everyone asks like friend requests me. And sometimes like if I like your singing too, I'll accept your friend request. But it's so funny. Every time I want on Roblox and I sing a lot, they're like, "Oh my gosh, like this guy's like he can sing," and I'm like, "Yup, thank you." And then they friend request me.